Hello, my friends. In this detailed lesson, we will thoroughly learn and get to know the correct and proper way to change the language settings of the WhatsApp application, specifically without changing the language of the entire system. This convenient way allows you to easily change WhatsApp to virtually any language you desire without needing to alter your device's primary system language. This effective method works seamlessly for both the regular WhatsApp application and WhatsApp Business. This method also works on Android phones as well as iPhones. So, before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. For example, we will demonstrate the explanation using the regular WhatsApp app. Open it as you normally would, then gently tap on these three distinct dots from this particular spot. After that, proceed to the next step, to tap on Settings. Then carefully scroll down just a little bit until you are able to find the specific option clearly labeled App Language. Yep, tap on it. Here, you're presented with the option to carefully choose the specific language you would prefer to utilize. For instance, as an example, I will proceed to select the French language. I will then meticulously select it from this particular location right here. As you can clearly see, the application's language has been successfully changed to French without the need to alter the language settings of the entire phone system itself. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains a variety of highly informative WhatsApp tutorials, where you will undoubtedly discover many important and incredibly useful guides that you will certainly appreciate and greatly benefit from. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now, my dear friends.